Hello. Now is we go to the second course. Is like the tomato soup and egg roll. So it's here. The first thing we need to put like the garlic, onion. Just a little bit oil. We make this smelling. So we put a little bit chicken. Also you can put, after that you can put a little bit chicken stock. To not make this like not burn, so you can put a little bit chicken stock. You need to take more like 2 or 3 minutes in the hot, and this make like well done. So after this halfway, you put a little bit tomato. And after, of course, this is the chicken stock. So now when we waiting this make done, you come here to make the egg. Use the spoon with this. This very easy to make in the home. You need to make the like stir very well, because it is not like the white yolk and the egg, yellow yolk need to mix it together. You can smelling the smell very nice. Okay, now testing some. Okay, now you put a little bit salt and also pepper. The important is here, you need to make the water very hot. This like boiling because when I put the egg, I need to like the egg will flow up on the side, on the top, same like the cloudy. This not dipping into the water. Now you can see the water very hot, right? You would add slowly. You put into the middle and you make like a roll. So the egg always on the top. You see this make flowing. Now I reduce the heat and you can see it's better. You see this make like the glow. Glow this. And just take 1 minute to make the egg well, and we will serve this in the bowl. Yes. And if you add on the top some spring onion. Yes, and you finish this is the second course.